Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. And today, we're going to Australia. Nothing. The flight travel time is quite, well, Australia's quite far away. So it's going to take 24 hours to get there. 3 flights. First flight, go from Birmingham to Paris airport, then Paris to Abu Dhabi, and then Abu Dhabi to Perth. Reason we're going is because we have family over there. We're going for Christmas. Going for about 2 weeks. Bit tired? Oh yeah, it's 3:45 in the morning. Recently, well the past couple of days, I've been resetting my body clock to Australian time, so I'm 8 hours behind, which is good. So I woke up when I would wake up in Australia, which was 1:30 this morning, which would be 9:30 in Australia. So I should be right, as long as I sleep on the last flight. I should be good. A taxi is coming to pick us up because we're not driving to the airport, and they will be arriving about 20 minutes. Also, I've woken up with a cold, kind of, which is annoying. First day of holiday and I'm ill.
Don't forget your bag.
Look how massive those 3 are, and I've got the tiny one.
Well, you've done very well.
Bye, Tom.
Bye.
Bye, Tom.
Have an amazing time.
See you on FaceTime, probably.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, we will. Australia
They kind
this.
of did take my wipes in my bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Those haven't got it.
Right.
They contain the because I use them out.
Go, go, go. And you, have a lovely
Bye,
trip.
Dave. Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you.
You can have plenty of sleep.
Hello. So right now we're having breakfast. It's really hard not to look at the view. I think I'm covering my over my
Well, don't say that. I've got to eat my breakfast.
poached eggs
What's the number?
with avocado
How do you see that?
and feta cheese. Joe, what did you have?
Egg.
Wait, it's not. Egg salmon, and
Scrambled egg
you
with
put ketchup on the salmon. Dad had a tikkie breakfast
That's not true.
and Mum's hungry. Her food was cold, so she sent it back. This is a top-notch vlog. I think I'm covering the mic. Hello.
Very pale bacon.
Oh, for goodness sake. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Oh, wow.
Is that snow over there? Bloody hell.
Oh, look at the bike! Look at them! I can't help but look at the viewfinder, and I get really tricky when YouTubers do that. What is it then?
Screen.
Oh, cinematography.
Right, so we're in Paris airport at the moment. We had an hour to get, well, we didn't even have an hour. We had about 50 minutes to get from one terminal, well, to about 3 different terminals. And we just about made the flight, which is great. Like literally just as we got there, the gate closed. So. So, it's night time. I look like shit, so I feel like shit. Just flown 6 hours. I can't hear out this in. Today you've already seen night time, then daytime, then night time again. I'm going to try and go to sleep on this flight because it's 2 in the morning in Australia. So I got off the plane. Finally here after about 25 hours of travelling. boiling outside. We just felt a bit coming off the plane, but I'm so glad we're here, finally. Mum almost lost her phone, but she found it. It was like 2 chairs in front of her. Managed to sleep for about 4 hours, which is shit. Quick little update, our bags haven't turned up. This is where they should be, in the baggage area. They weren't, so we've gone to the desk, and now they're going to find out where it is. Last place we knew it was is Abu Dhabi, because they checked the bags were on the plane when we went from Paris. So we know they're at Abu Dhabi, but that's a 10-hour flight away, so...
Who's got the passport?
Dad does. Oh, it's warm.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's warm. Hi. Hi. Oh, that's not big. It's a beast, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little egg.
Selfie with that.
It looks so funny in the camera. She's just got her sunglasses on. And her head goes into her neck. Oh, my teeth are a bit yellow. This will make me laugh for hours. It's the mouth. She's gonna have such a dry mouth when she... Oh, let's filmmaker over here.
It's like...
You know you're not filming? Mum.
Oh, shit, am I not?
What's this
Oh,
one?
brilliant. Yeah.
32?
Yeah, I think it is. That's what it is.
Ooh, this looks nice. There's an old guy on
Jesus.
top. So we have arrived in our house. It's actually the best house we could have got. It's amazing. I'll just do a quick tour at the moment. We're all knackered, but basically, front door's over here, and it's like got a fly net, and it's like really nice and cool and shit. And then we got upstairs that's really nice. I'll show you that in a minute. And we've got this whole massive open area here with the kitchen and the lounge, and then we've got this outside bit. You don't have to do the main door, you can just do the fly net. Then we've got this outdoors bit, which is incredible.
Barbecue.
Got a barbecue over there. It just looks so nice. Do you think they renovated any of this?
I don't
Or
know.
do you think they bought it? Because this is an amazing buy. It's just so nice everywhere. And then they've got some plants. Oh, jeez. So we've got a lemon tree, which we can pick from. Oh, I'm scared of all the wildlife here. There's like redbacks and shit. I want to find one actually. This, obviously can't use that. But we've got some kayaks down here that we can take. And there's some crab nets up there if we go crabbing, which we probably will. Do you like my view out my room?
Huh? Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Just a bit of
I love that.
corrugated metal. Yeah, and then because you're a moody bitch, you get
I'm not.
this one. So we go upstairs. First thing you see is... Ooh. What's that? Are they parrots? Some weird squirrels. Oh, parrots! Oh,
There's 2 red ones.
I saw that.
That's different.
How does this work? Just gonna burn, chilling in the sun there.
Just tanning my jeans
Ooh.
legs.
So that's an estuary over there. Well, they call it an estuary. It's just a big lake that has an inlet to the sea that way and also that way, or an outlet. All right.
Okay.
That sky is so unreal.